the new Samsung Galaxy S21.
This looks different.
It is.
Show me.
Just hit record. See that? You're filming in 8K, beyond cinema quality.
So...
You can pull photos straight from video.
Impressive. But will it last the whole trip?
You'll have battery all day, and then more.
This is different.
Told you.
The Samsung Galaxy S21 is a 5G-enabled phone. It is available in Phantom Grey, Phantom Violet, and Phantom White colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM that allows for seamless multitasking and is available in two memory variants to choose from, 128GB and 256GB. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 5G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy S21 has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display for an immersive viewing experience. With 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution, 421 ppi and 16 million colors, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The Galaxy S21 comes with a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup. It also features a 10-megapixel front dual-pixel camera. Powered by Android Pie V10.0 operating system with 2.9 GHz Exynos 2100 octa-core processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery. This product comes with standard brand warranty.
Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low, medium, high and very high options. And in frame rates, low, medium, high, very high and max options. We will play on low graphics and max frame rate. So you will get 60 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 8GB RAM and Samsung Exynos 2100 processor which works on 5nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone and 6.2 inches dynamic AMOLED display has good touch response. During long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 4000 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G is up to the mark and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.
Let's take a look at the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible AMOLED display. Both the S21 and S21 Plus have displays that are flat with minimal bezels, vivid colors, and super smooth refresh rate. Now let's take a look at the back of the phone. You'll immediately notice a new camera design. It houses a triple camera system that is versatile for your everyday photo and video needs. Here on the S21 Plus in Phantom Violet, the camera housing blends into the side frame. The S21 is, of course, smaller than the S21 Plus, but both give you a large display experience in a compact form factor. And they have a haze finish, which means less fingerprints. Here's the whole new range of exciting colors on the S21 and the S21 Plus. These are great smartphones for your everyday, and more. This was a first up-close look at the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus.